This book is dedicated to a man who doesn't need to read it. My friend, Lowell Thomas. I want to thank Miss Villa Stiles from the northwest corner of my heart for all she has done to help me in the preparation of this book and how to win friends and influence people. Note from Dale Carnegie Training. These Dale Carnegie principles are self-governing and allow individuals to address their daily stress and worries. They are not designed to replace any protocols or medications that doctors or health professionals prescribe.
Preface. Hi, this is Donna Dale Carnegie. How often have you said recently, "I'm worried about," and here you can fill in anything from your daughter's choice of boyfriend to the threat of nuclear annihilation. While these and many more things are worthy of concern, worry is a sword we wave at them to make us feel as though we're doing something, when in fact the opposite is true. Worry paralyzes us with inaction. If you find it easy to slough off worry and go on with your life, then this book is not for you. But if worrying has become a corrosive habit that affects your daily life, then How to Stop Worrying and Start Living will give you the tools to change it in remarkable ways. Like most people, including my father who wrote the book, I have had my own struggles with worry. Nothing was beneath my willingness to fret about. As a teenager, I once worried myself into a frenzy for a week, convinced I had the symptoms of hoof-and-mouth disease after a visit to the Bronx Zoo, where I'd eaten a dubious-looking hot dog. When I finally forced myself to go to the doctor, the diagnosis was canker sores, gargle with salt water. Absurd as this example may be, it shows how worry can hijack all common sense when we give it the power. Had I only followed even one of the principles found in this book, I could have saved myself a week of misery and dealt with the issue rationally. But I still didn't learn the lesson. Over the ensuing years, I had accumulated so many things on my worry list that I had to create a worry wait list for the overflow. Things I felt I should worry about if my mental capacity hadn't been maxed out. I reasoned that I was managing my worries logically, and as one item cleared, I could move another from the wait list up to the active list. It took practice, but when I finally started using the principles outlined in my father's book, I ceased cultivating a list of things with which to torment myself, most of which I had no control over anyway, and used my newfound energy to actually address the issues. And when the temptation arises to fall back into my old habits, I return to this book to put things back into perspective. Your willingness to invest in listening to this book means that you have taken the first step toward reclaiming your life from a tyrant who constantly extorts you. Don't let it. Our time is the most precious commodity, so don't allow it to be dominated by something as useless as worry. A tendency to worry is probably wired into our brains from birth, meant to protect us from danger. But in an ironic twist, how to turn off the worry isn't a skill that comes naturally. That we must learn how to do. Although there are clinical reasons for worry that are beyond our control, genetics, brain chemistry, childhood trauma, to name a few, most of it is caused by such common triggers as having responsibilities we find overwhelming, facing changes in our life, or feeling we have no control over the outcome of a situation. This is where we can exercise power over our lives by learning techniques to combat both our 4 o'clock in the morning nuttiness as well as the bugbears that seem indomitable even in the light of day. This book was written to show you how. Since its publication in 1944, How to Stop Worrying has at times flown under the radar among my father's works. Many people are familiar with his primary bestseller, How to Win Friends and Influence People. It was a blockbuster when it was first published, and remains so to the extent that it overshadowed How to Stop Worrying when it was published 6 years later. Yet it was